Hi, welcome back. Hello, students and professionals. Another important, you can say, observation in S4 HANA 2023. So the topic is business partner and a one-time customer creation and some features in SAP S4 HANA 2023 exclusively. Let's try to observe this. Okay. First, let me do one thing. Okay. Let's go to the transaction. Okay, BP. Okay. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. All these are the different set of my Udemy courses, which can be available at affordable rates. I don't say the word called cheap. So you can see this. This is 103 hours on ECC. So including some of my YouTube videos, and exclusively the course is around 70 to 80 hours. It will be there. You can learn as a package sales and distribution. Apart from that, if you'd like to update business partners, here I explain the 3 scenarios. Okay, so if you like this is actually already done S4 HANA 1909 or something. There is no much difference of BP creation. If you'd like to learn the scenarios, you can try this course. Definitely it will be helpful to you. Don't waste your money on S4 HANA learning, specifically spending like 30,000 and 40,000. It's a waste of money. You can try this one. Okay, this is sufficient if you're already there in ECC. This is for BP. This is one of the main key concept if you would like to get into the S4 project. This is pricing. This is one of my top course. The course itself, I'm holding 1,000+ students. And if you're not at introduced to real-time getting master to write functional specification, this is one thing. And STOs I have done in ECC and S4 HANA also. And this is S4 HANA pricing advanced. I would like to update this course in future. If you have already having the ECC background, you better try this course. You will not be disappointed. And this is for rebates and FSCM integration. Little if you want to know, you would like to help your FSCO colleagues. And this is real-time idoc training. This is common for all modules. This course 100% do it. I'm telling you, maybe because of 20% chances if you lose interviews, if you don't have much aware of idocs actually. Okay, you can give it a try. I'm just providing all these links below of this video. You can go ahead and you can give it a try. Okay, now let's get into our topic. Okay, so I told you, right, so if you'd like to create BP, okay, let me try to help you out here. Okay, go to SPRO, reference IMG. I have already told you how to create a BP and BP configuration in previous sessions. Let's try to concentrate on specifically how to create one-time customer, the similar way what you have seen previously in ECC, but I would like to show you some tips over here. Okay, let's go to the financial accounting, account receivable and payable, and customer accounts, master data. So I'm just going a bit faster because you already know about ECC then. Okay, so let's go to the define account groups. I have defined this account group recently. Okay, so H0001, this is the place where you can able to control your one-time customer. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, so now let's go to the BP transaction. Let's try to create one BP now. Okay, these are the different BPs I have already created. Let's create this one as an organization. Okay, so let's try to choose the number range. This is for BP number range. It is coming on top of your vendor and customer, whatever the account groups you have created. On top of it, this is the number range. It's like hook. It hold both the number ranges. Okay, so Sudarshan Co. Private Limited. I'm just created. So let's keep this. Okay. Okay. I'm just trying to save this. Okay, BP I got created. So in this, I'll just go to the change mode. Let me try to create a customer actually. Okay. So this is my finance customer. Let's come here. So let's go to the company code data. Let's try to choose this one. So your reconciliation account. So something. Let's try to save. If any mandatory fields are there, it will definitely ask. Let me choose this payment method also. So in this internal place, it will generate a number. Now the customer is this one. The same thing we'll try to extend the role for our sales and distribution. Okay, it's always a practice. I'm telling you, my friends. Okay, simple thing. Don't worry. It's not a big deal. Don't get tension if you're from ECC background. You can learn slowly. Okay, I learned everything on my own. No instructor. For your kind information. So let's this. Okay. So this one. So let's go to the shipping. I have all these mandatory fields. Let's try to fill this quickly. Okay, next come to the billing. Let's take this, take this. Okay, probably I'll try to fill the incoterms. Just enter this one. So let's come to KNV1. This is the tax. Okay, let's enter. So I think I'm good to go now. Okay. Let's save this. So this is BP, that is customer number. Okay. Now changes made it. Okay. So let's try to go to the general data always. So let's go to customer general. Can you able see this is a customer. This is what we have created. So now let's try to create a sales order now. Center. So now if you can able to see this is important field. Okay, I forgot to fill this English. So one-time customer means it is asking, enter your address. Enter your address. Okay. So I'm just changing this one as 533106. This is one city I'm changing. Okay. This state I'm changing. One-time customer, this is how every time you have to use the same customer for your usage, right? I'm just changing this one. Okay. So first enter. So this is the material we created. Let's enter the 4 quantity. Okay. HUS1, H101 not defined. Okay. Let it be. Let's come here. Now this one. I am getting this one. So let's try to change the division. So I already explained, right? Header division and item division. Probably we can see that one also. In S4 HANA. Same way, there is no difference. Okay. So default it is coming, right? I'll just make a changes. This one, this one, this one. See, this is how you can able to change the address. So now this guy is this location. This is assume that this is another ship to location. That's where the importance of your on-time customer, right? So he keep on. We cannot able to create a lot of master data. He wants sometime in one location, another location like that. This is the basic advantage. This will be used in ECC and S4 HANA also. This is what the advantage it is. So let's save this order. Of course, some incomplete logs are there. It won't allow, okay, because of my document type definition. Anyhow, this is how you can able to save it. So let's try to go to SPR1. Let's try to do one more setting. financial accounting, account receivable, customer accounts. Okay, preparation of customer master data. Let's go to the account group again. Just double click. Okay. So if I skip this address check, let's save this. Okay. So, it's not mine. Okay, let's save this. I have skipped the address check. Now let's see how the system behaves. We'll create one more customer. Okay. Now let's go to the fashion VP. Let's create a new one. In special distributor limited. I'm just creating something as a customer. Now let's try to create this one. Now let's create a customer. The same story. There is no difference. Just fill the mandatory fields. I made these fields are mandatory. That's why it is asking me. Okay. Address check. So maybe because of this one, let's try to. Okay. We got created. So let's go to this one, the customer sales. I would like to extend it sales role. I'm just filling all mandatory fields. One session probably will check complete master data. Okay, let's save this now. So this is fine, good to go. This is what the customer, another customer created. Let's give a check. Okay. Now, if I want, I can skip this. Okay. It is asking this one. You have to do some change. I'm just changing instead of entering the complete address. One change it allows. Okay. Okay. This is how you can able to create it. Let's go back. See, this will basically, if you don't want to check the address, you can able to do that. Okay. Uncheck or check. probably like if you look at here, skip address check option for one time, and with reference you can skip checks address fields such as country language. If you don't want to check, then this one. Okay, one time account. But what we have already filled, like you must select the one time account checkbox to enable the skip address. Like one time, when you are creating one time address, if you don't want to compare the country and whatever we call like language, if you don't want to check, then you skip. If you wanted to skip this, then you keep skip that one. Okay, if you want it, you have to activate this is one new thing I found in S4 HANA. This is basically where not in your transactional data while creating. See, first time I created, okay, so it didn't give because like it is already activated as incomplete log, then you don't find the difference. But if you specifically wanted to check language or else country supposed to be mandatory for your one-time customer, such a case you have to tick this mark. Okay, this is the dependency. So I think that's it. So probably the same thing, probably what I feel is the same thing. If you wanted to create at a config level, you try this course. This is what I can able to suggest to you. Okay, if you really wanted to learn complete S4, then it is just 10% changes. In future probably I may try to add in my courses. It takes some time. Currently I'm trying to do SAP SD and S4 HANA 2023 all changes. I will add this video also there. Now it is in draft situation. Probably I'll try to bring that course before you. Okay, so thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Keep learning, keep try to observe the field by field, so that it will be helpful to you. That's where I have learned. It's not all about uh, real-time experience, how much you have. I can see so many uh, you know people not updated. I cannot say dummy and all those things. Don't use these kind of words, because they are lucky people. Somehow they got into the industry. So get update yourself always. It is very, very important, as long as you continue in this field. Of course, I'm boring. That is a different story. Jai Hind, take my knowledge. Okay, if you like it, like this video, and please comment if you really love this video. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great time with me. Thank you.